Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I have created this Indian festive glam makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So first I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Emulsion. It's really good for dry skin. Don't forget your neck. For the foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC40. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it because this is very high coverage. So I apply very little. First I'm going to dot it all over my face. I forgot to wet my beauty blender. So I'm using this beauty blender. This is damp. This is from PAC. And I'm just going to blend the foundation. This foundation is really good. It's very high coverage and perfect for festivals. And it looks beautiful in photographs, but you can use whatever foundation you already have. Now to further brighten my under eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. This is a bit lighter than my skin tone, so it will act as brightening, like it will brighten up my under eyes. I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit so that it gives more coverage. Till then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. For that I'm using this Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette and using this dark brown shade and an angled brush. Now that our concealer is a bit dry, I'm just going to blend it out. Don't wait for too long though, because then it will be very difficult to blend out. I'm just going to lightly blend out because I don't want to move away the concealer. As you can see, it brightened up my under eyes. And now to set the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the powder. I'm applying even on my eyelids so that it's smooth for an eyeshadow and it's not sticky. And I'm also going to apply a bit of powder in my T-zone because on my T-zone it gets really oily, especially during monsoon. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm again using the same Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to mix these two shades, this light orange one and this brown one for my crease. Now I'm going to take this golden shade right here and apply it using my fingers. Such a stunning shade. Now to clean up the edges, I'm using this brush. It's kind of fluffy to blend with, but it's also like quite flat, so it's really easy to get into your crease. And I'm taking that brown shade which I applied in my crease. I'm just going to clean up the edges and also blending a little bit. I'm going to again take this brown shade and applying it under my eyes. Now I'm taking a bit of this dark brown shade as well. Now I'm going to use some Kajal, and for that I'm using the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. And I'm applying this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply false eyelashes and be right back. You can skip this step if you don't want to apply them. So I'm back with the lashes, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference. I love putting on lashes. Because I have very small lashes. I'm going to use the Bahama Mama Bronzer to slightly contour my cheeks. Just wherever you feel a hollow in your cheeks, that's where you draw the contour line. Then I'm going to apply a bit of the Hoola bronzer just to warm it up. For the blush, I'm using this pink blush from the Makeup Revolution Iconic palette. I love applying blush. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish in the shade Oh Darling. This is a very beautiful highlighter for Indian skin tones. Now for the lips, first I want to line my lips with the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. And for the lipstick, I'm using a Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Maharani. It's a very beautiful deep red shade. I'll just apply bindi and earrings and be right back. So I'm going to take this shade. I love the shade for inner corner highlights. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. Also a bit on my brow bone. Finally, I'm just going to spritz this face mist. This is from Ayurveda. This is a pure Mokra water. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!